How many valence electrons does this atom have? 0, 2, 3, or 13 valence electrons? It's not the total number of electrons they're asking for, which is 13. It's just the ones in the outermost layer. And because there's 3 electrons in the outermost ring, there's going to be 3 valence electrons total, so that's going to be our answer. Question 2. Which element does this same atom in question correspond to? Lithium, aluminum, silicon, or fluorine? And I simply chopped off the bottom section of the periodic table because it's not needed. Well, it's got to be aluminum, because with 3 valence electrons, this atom, or element, must belong to the group of the same number, group 3. And aluminum is the only element of the 4 to choose from that fits this criteria. If an atom of aluminum loses 3 outermost electrons, what's the resulting charge? And what's the number of valence electrons left over? Let's focus on charge first. Charge, or net charge, is the number of protons minus the number of electrons. And a neutral atom of aluminum has 13 protons and 13 electrons, so it will be neutral in charge. So if we lose 3 electrons, then we'll acquire a positive 3 charge. Does that mean that we'll end up with 0 valence electrons? After all, there's no electrons left over in this red circle. The answer is no, because electron shells don't exist without electrons in those shells. So this shell right here becomes our new valence shell, as it is now the outermost shell with electrons. Thus, if our aluminum atom loses 3 electrons, it will acquire a positive 3 charge, and it will actually gain valence electrons relative to what it started from, with a total of 8.